Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is your Barker 007. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set your Snapchat name as a blank name. So how you go about doing this? So let's launch our browsers. Well, you need to have your browser open first, and you need to go to the website, or you need to search for invisible characters. So invisible character copy and paste, you need to search for that, and you could select the first option there, emptycharacter.com. Scroll down until you see this option that says copy to button. So let's copy to clipboard. So we've copied our invisible name. Next, let's launch Snapchat. And then you need to go to your profile. Now from your profile, you need to hold on your name or tap on your name. Or click on the settings. We could change it two ways. Either you could tap on your name or click on the settings. So let's click on settings, and as you can see, my name is already blank. So let me delete this character and let me add a name and click on save. So as you can see, my name is Hacker. So let me change it to the invisible character. Let's remove this name and let's paste the invisible character and let's click on save. And as you can see, there isn't any name there anymore. So that is how you'd go about changing your Snapchat name. Hope this was helpful. Or change your Snapchat name to a blank name. So